Myself, S. Anand Christie, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Computer Application, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Now we are going to discuss about what is HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language is used to design our websites. We can create our own websites using HTML. Secondly, it is a formatting language. Formatting means we can design in our taste and whatever we need we can make available in that page. That is appearance. For example, we need graphics, audio, video on web page. We can add and we can organize our text, where our text should be, where our image should be, what video that we should add, everything we can make it. The word hypertext refers a link. If we click a link, it goes to another page. The first thing hypertext means a link. Second, markup. Markup refers to the symbols that are used to define structure of the text. For example, markup symbols. The markup symbols, in other words, we can call it as a tags. A tags is nothing but a text, how it going to display, whether in a italic format or bold or anything else. So these tags are used to define our text, images in a predefined manner. Then now we will see about the HTML versions. Initially, HTML 1.0. The HTML 1.0 developed by Berners-Lee in 1991. Second, the HTML 2.0. It was the first standard HTML specification which was published in 1995. Third, it comes HTML 3.2 at the year of 1997. Then HTML 4.0, HTML 4.01, these versions are largely we are using. It is published in 1999. Currently, the more people are using this version only, HTML 4.0. Then XHTML, that is XML based HTML. Then HTML5 version, which is the extension to the HTML 4.1. This version is developed in the year 2012. These are all the versions from 1.0 to HTML5. Now we can see HTML documents. A HTML document contains two main parts, that is head part and body part. The head element contains title and metadata. For example, a page title or website title are displayed here. Then what is meant by metadata? Metadata is a information about that page. It is always inside the head elements. It provides metadata about HTML documents. Meta tags are typically used to specify character sets, page description, keywords, and author of the documents, and viewpoint settings likewise. Metadata will not be displayed on the page, but it is machine readable. Metadata is used to browser and search engines. A browser using how to display content or reload the page. On search engines, the whatever we displayed on metadata, the keywords will be fetched by search engines. Using those keywords, your websites will be displayed on a listed. Then body. The body element contains the information that you want to display on the web page. It is the major thing. Whatever we need to include in our page, a table, a image, a text, a graphics, audio, video, everything included in body element only. Now we can see what is the structure of HTML. Each tag must have a closing tag. Here initially we can see that HTML, and in last line we can see that slash HTML. First one is a opening tag and slash HTML is a closing tag. And we can have two parts, head part and body parts. Head part contains the title of the page. A title tag contains a web page title. And head tag contains information about the web. Second, body tag. It contains a web page. Whatever we need to add, those things will be displayed on a body tag. Finally, we are having the slash HTML, that is a closing. Each tag, opening tag will have a closing tag, that is head tag have a slash head and body tag have a slash body. It is the basic HTML structure. Then we will see what is HTML elements. I already said that HTML tag usually consists of starting tag and ending tag. Starting elements and ending elements. Here we can see a simple HTML file. First one is document type. We are using here is HTML, so we are mentioning HTML is your document type. Then we are having the opening HTML tag, then body tag. Then we are specifying here two tags, h1 tag and paragraph tag. h1 tag displays the my first heading and paragraph tag displays the my first paragraph. First we look up what is h1 tag, heading tag. HTML headings are defined with h1 to h6 tags. Here we can see that h1 tag will display in a bigger size. This is heading 1. It is h1 tag. Then again h2 tag will give the smaller in size. Second one. This is heading 2. Then h3. It gives again in smaller. This is heading 3. Likewise, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. It comes reducing the size. Second one is paragraph tag. If you want to display a paragraph, we can use this tag. Then we will see what is empty HTML elements. I already said that each opening tag should have a closing tag. But in some elements doesn't have closing tags. Those tags are called as empty HTML elements. For example, BR tag, that is break tag. Break tag is empty element without a closing tag. An empty element can be closed in the opening tag itself, that is br slash. So if you don't have the closing tag, it is called a empty element. That is, empty elements shouldn't have no content, are called empty elements. And second, we can see that HTML is not a case sensitive. Case sensitive means we can declare in uppercase or lowercase. Here I can see that we can see that paragraph tag in caps and small both are gives the same results. So we can call it as a HTML is a not case sensitive one. Then one more HTML empty element, that is image tag. An image tag we doesn't have a closing tag. It defines with the keyword that is img tag. Img tag is a empty tag and it contains the attributes of that image. What is meant by attributes? Attributes is nothing but what is the image height, what is the image width. These things are displayed and given in the image tag itself. So image tag is called a empty HTML element. Second, the src attribute specifies the URL where that image is appearing. So src is the location where that specific image is available. That image is retrieved and shown in the websites. That is image src equal to URL. Here URL is the path of that image. For example, here we can see that image src image underscore rows dot jpg. It is the file name, image name. It will display a rose image. And you can see that here ALT, it means alternates. If that image is not there in that specific location, in alternate way, the text will be displayed. That is flowers in India. If that image is there, that image will be displayed. If image is not there, we can see that a text, that is alternate text, flowers in India. Then we will see what is hypertext markup language.